Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up eTrade two-factor authentication for login protection step by step clearly. To set up two-factor authentication on your eTrade account, begin by logging into your account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the account section found in the main menu. In the Accounts section, look for the Security tab. Click on the Security tab to access the security settings. Here, locate the option for two-factor authentication or two-step verification. Select the option to enable two-factor authentication. You will be prompted to choose your preferred method of receiving authentication codes. Typically, you can choose between receiving codes via text message or through an authentication app. If you select text message, enter your mobile phone number. Make sure the phone number is correct before proceeding to the next step. Once you've entered your phone number, click Send Code. You will receive a text message containing a verification code. Check your messages and enter the code into the provided field on the website. If you prefer using an authentication app, download an app like Google Authenticator or Authy. Open your chosen app and choose the option to add a new account. Scan the QR code displayed on the eTrade website using your authentication app. Once the QR code is scanned, your app will generate a verification code. Enter that code into the field on the eTrade website. After entering the code, click Verify or Complete Setup. You should now see a confirmation that two-factor authentication is enabled. To finalize the process, log out of your eTrade account and log back in. During the login process, you will now be asked for a verification code each time. This adds an additional layer of security to your account. Make sure to keep your phone or authentication app handy for future logins. Congratulations, you have successfully set up two-factor authentication on your eTrade account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.